Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here, going to make a comp build SCX30. More parts coming, but we'll start and we'll go through the build phase of different parts. The only thing I'm really using that's stock is the transmission from an old one that I have, not the engine. I'm going to be using a Furatech engine, so stay tuned. All right, I got the transmission and everything in using the brass center. All this stuff is Injora. You got the Furatech Nano Komodo. The only thing Axial I'm using at this time is the transmission. But yeah, this is the new Injora frame that they just came out with, aluminum. I think it looks pretty good. All right, guys, the custom build is coming along. Gonna have a four-wheel steer. Look at that eye candy. The new Meus brass front servo. I got the Furatech system in there. Now I'm gonna add the frame from Injora, and then we can button this up and get the electronics in, so stay tuned. All right, guys, build is done. The comp build Axial SCX30 is complete. We'll go over the build. I will send a list up here of everything at the parts list, so if you guys are interested, but here it is. Came out great. First with the body, the Proline Coyote body. I used some Velcro on the front, and then in the rear used the locking that you would use on a normal stock one. All right, so we're running a Meus system for radio and receiver. This thing's great, guys. Cheap, awesome. You can see how tiny it is right there. So it's perfect for this application. Starting in the front, one, I don't know if you noticed, four-wheel steer. I have the brand new Meus gold brass servo. Amazing, love it. Look at that. Oh, and in the rear, I'm just using a stock Spectrum one that came off of one of them that I already modified, just because I don't need that much performance out of the rear turning. Then we're gonna go to brass steering and links and all things brass from Hot Racing. This is I believe +6mm on both sides. Drive shafts from Mofo. Everything will be listed for you guys. I'm using the Furatech micro moto system, or what does it say? Yeah. Yeah. And you can see that there. Everything fits good. Wheels and tires, Injora D19s. Highly recommend. Also have the brass inside. You have to buy separate, with the pin tires from Injora. Just using a stock battery. The links and drive shafts are steel drive shafts, aluminum links from Injora, a brass center from Injora. The frame itself, this is the brand new frame from Injora. Yes, Injora, Meus, Mofo, awesome parts, guys. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, Meus, whatever. Shocks, 26mm Injora shocks. And the only thing that you're gonna see stock on this, the three things that are stock on this that I took off one of my other builds is rear servo, battery, and the transmission. Yeah, I don't see I have a metal transmission, it's loud. I don't see the use, it's not a good upgrade in my opinion. All right, so this is how easy this body comes on. All I do is slip it on the rear. Everything's hooked up correctly. Push down, and there you go. Now, let's see how she performs. All right, guys, before we begin the maiden run, let's see the weight differential for this. All right, so total weight 237.4 grams. Front to rear 55-45. Would like to see a little bit more 60-40, but We can play around with that. And 48 to 52, I want to be 50-50, but close enough. So if you guys want to see how this lays out, this is how we have the weight differential. Now let's go back and do a maiden run. All right, guys, finally done, ready to do the maiden run. Let's check her out. Those of you who not know, I got 4-wheel steer on this. Yeah, on an Axial SCX30, there's 4-wheel steer. All right. I should be able to get and hit more lines with this truck than I did with any of my other trucks. Come on. I think it's gonna fall, but I think I can still save it riding the axle. Possibly, it might fall right here. Let's see if we can save it without it falling. And we can. And let's work the 4-wheel steer already. We'll go over the rocks. And then we'll use the 4-wheel steer here to go up here. The new section of the track that I absolutely love, that you can use this as well. And then straighten out and do 2-wheel steer right now. And go over. Go across, try to do the same pattern I do all my other ones with these videos, just to show. Go across here, take it nice and slow. These Injora pin tires just really do a good job hooking up. And we'll go up this. And you can check out some of the articulation of this truck. And then we'll see a good steep downgrade, how well it does going down this. No problem at all. Over the bridge. Into a side hill right here with the log. No problem. Again, we're going to go over the rocks. We're going to go over a steep section in a second. Right up here. And up this steep section right here. Gotta go over this side. Oh, let's try that again. That's one fail. I didn't hit it like I wanted it to. Not hooking up like I want her to. Come on. Let's see if we can get, probably gonna lose it right here. Ooh, look at this. Let's try not to lose her. Oh, we lost her. All right, let's try it again. I don't know why. Shouldn't have this much problem here. All right, let's try it again. There we go. And then we're gonna go, we're gonna go over here to a section that usually gives me problems, that going up this. Let's see how well this can go up this. I haven't had a truck successfully go up this yet. Can this be the first? Oh, we got up it. We did it. That overdrive definitely helps. Now we're gonna go up top and show the articulation of this truck. This is the articulation section. That's how I made this section. Now, I'm gonna see about going down this. No problem. And let's try going up the hardest part that most trucks have a real problem. I've only had one other truck hit this, and it was several attempts. So right now we'll see. It looks like it's wanting to, there we go. Straighten her out a little bit. Oh, and right up, guys. Wow. First try. And we're gonna go up this. That's a pretty steep section. And then we're gonna go down this, see how well she goes down it. No problem at all. This is another section of the new track that a lot of them have problems going up, and this is having no problems at all. Wow. Wow. And then we'll go up another steep section, hopefully not get into that tree. There we go. Back over. This is a good run, guys, for this. Now we'll go over a couple other sections and we'll be good to go. Go through the gap. Yes, you can see the shadow of my camera. Sorry about that. Through the gap. Up over a hill that is really hard to get up. And this truck has no problems. Again, no problems. All right, we're gonna go through the tunnel. Down into the tunnel. And then out the tunnel right here. Whoop. Not paying attention. And we're going to go up this. Try not to flip it. Again, with the overdrive, it just makes it so much simpler. This, no truck has gotten up this yet, guys. I don't know if this truck will get up it. She's tipping. She's tipping. Can she? Oh my God. That's it, guys. This truck is so much outperforming all my other trucks. I have yet to have any of those trucks do that. See, and we'll go up this. We got a couple more things to show you. Try the other side of this, see how well. And this thing's making this track, these lines just look like they're easy. And they're not easy, guys. So we're gonna go down here like this. Down through here. I've yet to go into the mud pit for you. This thing really sinks in the mud. Get her up and going. But I'm really impressed with this build. Now we'll hit the rocks. We haven't hit the rock section yet. True test of real world scenario. Oh, can I, oh, my driver error. And last thing is this gap. Everybody, this is my favorite gap. Whoop. My favorite gap, guys, right here. Most of my trucks can get up this. It's just a fun little gap. And this has no problems getting up it as well. We'll go over this. Try not to get, oh, I'm gonna have that tire, wiggle it out. Can I wiggle it out and save it? Yep. Good save. Whoop. All right, final section. I've just put these logs here. I'm working on something, seeing how things work. This is the newest section. And like all the other sections, this truck just makes it look easy. And yeah, we'll do the side hill over here. In the comments section, just let me know what your thoughts are of this truck and how well it's performing. And again, list of all the build sheet will be listed so you guys can see what I have in this, but this is by far the most capable SCX30 I have right now. And again, we're gonna just go down here and we'll go up this. And we're gonna finish going up one extra section. Again, going over the rocks. No problem at all. And then up here, this is the last section I haven't gone up for you guys. Is straight up this. We'll see, this is a tough part. Oh, and no problem at all. And again, we did this steep one before, but again, this is, if you hit the wrong line, you'll flip it. We'll give her, oh. And there it is. Comp build Coyote SCX30. If you like what you see, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching. Feels like it's